Hi, I'm Dr. Ormonde Mahoney from the Athens Orthopedic Clinic. I've been here practicing orthopedics, specifically joint reconstruction, for 30 years now. So the greatest thing about my job is that I get to see people that are severely limited by the disease processes in their hips or knees to the point that they can barely get around. And because of the technological developments that we've been able to use today, we can restore people to essentially normal function. So the most recent addition to our clinic has been a robotic system, a Mako, to allow us to use a computer-guided infrared tracking system to do precision hip and knee replacement that reduces pain postoperatively for patients, increases their recovery rates, and improves the durability of their total joints. It's something that I've been involved with for quite some time, and I've presented papers at national and international meetings about the robot, so I'm really excited that we finally have it here. Yeah, this clinic has been my entire career. I've been here for 30 years. I'm the president of the clinic. I think this is probably one of the best orthopedic practices, certainly in the Southeast. So I'm very gratified by what we're able to offer here.